maneuver it around. Go ahead and get your bearings up in here. There you go. And again, I already pre-greased everything to make sure I had all the grease I needed in there. And then I'm going to grab the cone and use the same grease that I already have in my hands. Again, I already put plenty in there, so not much more else needed. And this goes counterclockwise, so make sure you don't cross thread it. So so once you get it started, just turn it a little bit. And then use the spanner tool here to bring it closer. Okay, now remember, this cone here has to just be tight enough so there's no play, because you don't want it binding